Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I went and bought a new table saw during one of the Black Friday deals at Home Depot, and we're going to open it up and check it out. I haven't got it out of the box or anything yet. I did, look at the reviews online and everything's good, and this has a lifetime parts replacement. So that's something that's good. But anyway, it's a rigid 10-inch job site, and it's got the little stand with the wheels on it. That's kind of what I wanted because I'm moving in and out of the garage and outside. I do a lot of my work right now outside, as you know. But it'll cut up to 30-inch panel, and that's one of the reasons another reason I wanted that. My other table saw quit on me. I guess when we was building the sign, part of the sign, when I ripped those 1x, or those 2x2s to put around the edge, I was ripping those and it died, so I had to get a new one. The one I had was a Delta, and I mean, I've had it for 15 years. My mom and dad got it for me for Christmas, and I've had it forever. And we used to use it when we was, working on houses and stuff. So I got no complaints with it. Stuff wears out and dies, you know how it is. So I looked at several different ones. I worked at the ones at Lowe's, and I mean, they had a one that's a little bit cheaper than this, but I had some gift cards and it's $200 off. So I had some gift cards at Home Depot, so I just used that. And they had some cheaper ones at Home Depot, not very much cheaper, but a little bit. But I wanted the ones with the wheels that folds up. This one will fold up allegedly and roll into a corner. So let's get it open and see what it looks like. It also has a soft start, which means it don't start brand well, it kind of winds up, and then it's got an electric brake too. So that's one of the reasons, another reason I wanted it. Not because of the soft start, but because of the electric brake. And the wheels are out of plastic. So it's obviously the next day. I thought I'd hit record. I took that little break, stopped it, and I thought I hit record, and it didn't record, so lost a lot of good content. But anyway, we're back on the saw here, and I actually got the stand and everything put together. And it was real easy to do. It's all number coordinated. It's like got 2 and 2 and 2. You just put all the numbers together. Here's 4. There's 6. Here's 1. And it went together really well. I've got everything tightened up. I like it. I like the wheels. They roll pretty good. So let's look at the saw. I haven't got it all done quite yet. And I already own a rigid miter saw, so it kind of convinced me to get this. First thing I'm gonna do is square this blade up. Well, I don't like it. It's close, but it's not exactly. I mean, it's like a 30-second off, so I'm gonna have to work on that. And it took me a while to figure this guard out, and I finally got it going. So. And comes with a push stick, and of course a miter gauge here that you put on here like this, which I probably won't use that much, but I think it's got a stowable place for it. Yeah, it stores right here, and that's probably where it'll stay most of the time. So let's see if we can get this fence on there. Okay, you just got to beat it on. That squares up really good, so I like that part. Yeah, that does good. Let's fire it up and see what happens. All right, let me find something to cut. Yeah, that's pretty square there. All right. I think I like it. I like the brake on it. I like that a lot. I like the off switch. And get rid of this. I like that the blade up and down and the bevel is on the same side. It's on the front here. Right here's the blade bevel, and right here's the up and down, the blade up and down. So yeah, I like it a lot. You'll probably be seeing this a lot. I got several projects coming up. You'll probably see it before this video comes out, because I got another video that I'm probably going to use this. You know, this will probably come out later. So, but I like it. It's mobile. Really not too heavy, so it's really good for somebody like me who had to move it around and pull it outside to work and stuff. So I like it. I'd recommend it. Remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, support your local farmer. Hope to see you in the next video.